Hello everybody, bonjour, bienvenue and welcome to the channel. Before we start, I just want to say thank you. Thank you all for your likes and your comments on my first video. It gave me so much energy and really got me motivated to start on this video. I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, welcome as well. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, please consider subscribing. Today I will be taking my time to clean the carpets of the DS. They're actually in pretty good shape, but they still have a few spots that need attention. I will be vacuuming, brushing and extracting the carpets to make them as clean as possible. But before we start with that, I'm going to remove the seats to have access to all the carpets inside of the car. So let's get started. By removing 4 bolts from each seat and getting them out, I now have full access to the inside of the car. I can get to all the spots, even spots that weren't even visible earlier. Before we remove the carpet from the car, I'll be vacuuming them to make sure all the dirt and dust is removed. With all the dirt removed from the carpets, I will be removing them to make sure the inside of the car doesn't get wet, because rust is your biggest enemy in cars like these. Once they're out, I will start with spraying them with the chemical guy's fabric clean and brushing them with a medium to hard brush. By the way, all the products, gear and equipment I use will be down in the description below. Most of the spots in the carpet have been removed by the fabric cleaner and brush. All that's left is extracting the carpets using the carpet cleaner. I'm using the Bissell Spot Clean. You might have noticed that the carpets have a foam layer underneath. This layer gives you the feeling that you're standing on top of a big soft pillow. Combine that with the big comfortable sofa-like seats and the amazing hydro-pneumatic suspension, and it just feels like you're driving on a cloud. try to use as little product as possible on the carpet inside of the car. And just to be sure, I won't be using a carpet cleaner as well. Fortunately, the fabric cleaner and brush do the job very well. The carpets have been drying for almost 2 hours, and now it's time for them to be placed back in the car. I was really happy with the end results. I'm very curious about what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. And here, some before and after shots. The car feels fresh, clean, and looks way better from the inside. It makes me enjoy the ride that much more. So, I think you can guess what I'm going to do. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If there's something you want to see in these videos, something you want to know about the car, just let me know in the comments below. I have a long list of things I want to do, and in one of the upcoming videos I will be taking you around the car to show you in detail what the current state of the car is. And so you guys also know what to expect from future videos. I hope to see you next time. A bientôt.